Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the match footage, goal clips, and reaction shots into Alight Motion. This gives you material to cut. Once done, create a 1920x1080 composition and match the project frame rate to your primary clip to avoid stutter. Next, scrub through and trim selects, marking key moments with a sticker layer or marker. This is crucial because precise in and out points let you sync beats and cuts later. So do it now, and keep your timeline organized for faster editing. Now you craft the action. Place your key clips on the timeline and apply speed ramps. Choose a smooth curve for entry and exit, and use 0. 5 slowdowns at the peak to emphasize impact. Then, track the ball or player using motion tracking and attach a follow element. This keeps focus and makes overlays stick. Once motion is right, add directional blur during fast frames to sell speed, and apply color grade plus a subtle vignette so viewers' eyes lock on the play. Finish by balancing audio levels, aligning commentary or crowd noise to cuts, and adding final motion graphics like score tickers. Once done, preview the full timeline at full resolution to catch misaligned frames or audio drift. Export settings: H. 264, 1920x1080, 812 Mbps for clean uploads. If playback or export shows stutter, make sure the composition FPS matches clips. Clear Alight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.